Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to look at Bruce Nuclear Generating Station. The Bruce Nuclear Generating Station is the largest nuclear power station in Canada and is one of the largest nuclear power stations in the world. It is located on the shore of Lake Huron in Bruce County, Ontario, about 200 kilometers northwest of Toronto. The plant has a nameplate capacity of approximately 6,550 megawatts, comprises 8 CANDU heavy water reactors, which are designated as units. 1 through 8, the power station provides about 30% of the electricity consumed in Ontario. The electricity produced here is used primarily in southern Ontario. The power station is owned by Ontario Power Generation, while the operation and maintenance services are provided by Bruce Power under a lease arrangement. The reactors were built between 1970 and 1987. Bruce A units 1 through 4 were commissioned between 1977 and 1979, and Bruce B units 5 through 8 followed between 1984 and 1987. In 2014, the capacity factor was about 87%, which is very high, and demonstrates the high degree of reliability of this plant. This is the second highest capacity factor for a nuclear power plant in the world. The only reactor that has a higher capacity factor is the Finnish plant Oskarshamn, which has an average capacity factor of 92. The total annual production of the plant is about 45 terawatt-hours, which is enough to power over 4 million homes. The 8 units at Bruce Power are being placed into service again after major component replacement, refurbishment, and life extension projects. The Major Component Replacement, or MCR program, involves a major investment of about 13 billion Canadian dollars. The objective of the MCR program is to replace the major components, such as the steam generators, pressure tubes, calandria tubes, as well as to refurbish the site systems and structures. As a result of this, the operating life of the plant has been extended from 2023 to 2064. Bruce Power began refurbishing its reactors in 2016. Refurbishment of units 1 and 2 was completed in 2012. The refurbishment work on the remaining 6 units are being carried out sequentially. During refurbishment, each unit is taken offline for about 2 years. While Unit 3 and 4 have already undergone refurbishment, Units 5 and 6 are expected to be returned to service in 2024 and 2025 respectively. Units 7 and 8 will be refurbished subsequently. Refurbishment of a nuclear reactor at Bruce Power involves more than 30,000 individual activities, which include replacement of more than 2,500 components and about 6,000 line items. More than 1,400 people work on site at any given time during refurbishment. Bruce Power has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Ontario Power Generation to provide up to 6,000 megawatts of additional nuclear generating capacity in Ontario. This would involve the construction of new reactors at the Bruce site. Bruce Power refers to this as Bruce C. Bruce C is a proposed expansion of the Bruce Nuclear Generating Station. The proposed project would consist of up to 4 new reactors with a gross electrical output of about 4,800 megawatts. This would essentially double the current capacity of the Bruce Nuclear Generating Station. At present, the project is in pre-development and regulatory review. Site preparation work is underway, and the project could receive regulatory approval in 2028, if approved. Construction could start in 2029, with the first unit coming online in 2034. The Bruce Nuclear Generating Station uses the CANDU PHWR technology. The station is cooled by Lake Huron and has a robust transmission network that includes 500 kilovolt and 230 kilovolt transmission lines that serve southern Ontario. The Bruce Power Plant is owned by a consortium led by TC Energy and OMERS with the power workers. The plant employs about 4,200 workers. In addition, Bruce Power contributes about $4 billion annually to Ontario's economy. It is one of the largest nuclear employers in Canada. The company also generates over 3,000 megawatt-hours of electricity each year to produce isotopes that are used to create life-saving medical products such as cancer treatments and diagnostic imaging tools. Over the past decade, the company has invested about 23 billion Canadian dollars to refurbish the existing reactors and support the development of new nuclear technologies. So that's a look at the Bruce Nuclear Generating Station. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.